This tutorial will cover the removal and installation of any one of the rear cooling fans on the Ovention Matchbox Oven model M1718. To complete this procedure, you will need the following tools: 1/4 inch socket or nut driver, 5/16 inch socket or nut driver, various extensions, and a ratchet. Turn off the front cover power switch, allow the unit to cool. Turn off the disconnect switch, unplug the power cord from the receptacle, or lock out the breaker. Remove the filters by sliding them out of the filter support brackets to the left or the right. Remove the 7/4 inch screws from the left or right hand outer control compartment cover. Disconnect the inline electrical connector for the cooling fans. Place it on a protected surface to complete this repair. Disconnect the 2 spade connectors from the failed fan. Remove the 4 5/16 inch screws securing the filter support bracket, fan guard, and failed fan to the outer control compartment cover. Reassemble the unit in reverse order. Once reassembled, without the control compartment cover installed, check all electrical connections on the cooling fan. Plug in the cooling fan inline connector. Install control compartment cover. Place the left or right rear cooling fan filter into its support bracket. Installation is complete.